Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can split your videos into like multiple parts. So I'm just going to use these plain backgrounds. You can use any other background if you'd like as well. I'll just choose one more, just this one, and I'm going to split them in 4 parts. I'm just going to put them on top of each other like so. Then I'm going to select the first one on top, go to mask and select a rectangle, and you're going to have the size 180 for the height, and the size of the width you can like calculate it according to how many screens you want. So I have 4, so 1920 divided by 4 is around like 480 if I'm not mistaken. And then I'm just going to go back to basic and I'm going to slide it to the right. Then I'm going to do that again for the rest. So 1080 and 480. And it's going to equally divide them into 4 equal parts. Again, go to mask, rectangle, 480 and 80, go back to basic and move it. And for the last one, you can just leave it like that because you don't really have to mask it, I guess. And yeah, it does kind of look a little bit bigger. Maybe you didn't position it right, like this one. As you can see, there's still some left, so we're just going to move that to the side a little bit. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!